Hello everyone, and welcome to the second review of the second run of the Introduction to Linked Data course. Before starting answering your questions, I will give you some stats about how the course has been going. We have a total of 612 learners, and 64 of you have already completed the course. Congratulations to those that have done so. And we have also more than 1,000 comments posted in FutureLearn, which is very good. Please keep up the good work. I'm going today to answer some of your questions that have been posted during the second week, more precisely ones that have been posted during the second week of the course. The first is that you've been trying to execute some of the queries in the steps in other endpoints, and you have been, some people have been having different results for these queries. So I'm going to explain a little the difference between the two endpoints that you are using. One is LOD-OpenLinksSW.com. This one is an endpoint that holds a snapshot of Wikipedia, an old snapshot of a couple of years ago, together with some other datasets, like the Music Breaks dataset, which is the main dataset that we are using for answering our queries. The other dataset that you are using is the Wikipedia Live dataset, which holds only Wikipedia data, but real-time Wikipedia data, as fast as they can process the edits directly from Wikipedia. Then this Wikipedia Live endpoint has them already accessible in linked data format. So some queries that from the course work differently, have different results depending on the endpoint you use. This leads us to another question that was that stemmed from a discussion, a very fruitful discussion by Kat, William, Peter, and Dan about the evolution of knowledge. There is one of the queries in step 2.8 that asks about the members of the band, members of the Beatles band. This query on the newest Wikipedia Live endpoint it says false. It says that Paul is not a member of the Beatles. And the reason for that is that recently in Wikipedia, knowledge has evolved and an agreement has been reached that when a band does not exist anymore, then all its members are former band members. So Paul McCartney is not a band member of the Beatles, he's a former band member of the Beatles. So if you modify the query to, instead of using the band member predicate, to use instead the DB ontology former band member, then you will have the expected answer, which is Paul was a member of the Beatles. So hope this helps your comprehension and to be more clear about this. And thank you very much, and see you next week.